Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you don't think it's possible because you don't have money in your pocket? Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can travel to Italy for free. And if this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Today, I'm going to be introducing you to another fully funded conference. Yes, that is happening in Italy. If this is something you're interested in, don't even bother. Don't touch the dial. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Don't forget to also share this video right now. Share it with your friends, your besties, your colleagues, your friends in school, everybody that you know, because this is here to stay. I believe that there's power in sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, so that everybody can take advantage of this opportunity. Share it on Facebook, share this video on Maryland, and what have you, because I have done all the research and I'm not hoarding information, so please don't hoard information. Share this video with your friends. And if you're new here, please introduce yourself in comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? Today it's all about how you can travel to Italy for free. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you for always sharing my videos. I see you guys. I see you. You see me. Thank you for always sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. That's really good. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, student, trainer, I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also, I think that's about it. So without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So besties, have you heard of the Global Youth Convention in Italy? Yes, so it is fully funded. It's a fully funded conference and the duration is for 4 days. Yes, so guys, their goal is to equip youth with tools to lead and their learning focused programs objectives. The Global Youth Convention, hosted by HISA, Public Policy Research Institute, is a globally recognized platform for emerging youth leaders, policy advocates, and of course, social innovators. This is the 3rd edition of GYC and they focus on cultivating transformative learning experiences for youth, enabling them to evolve from just local change agents into global influencers. Rather than being a local champion, they want you to represent your country in the global space. And they're giving 250 scholarships. Yes, so it is happening in Milan, Italy. Their goal is to empower ethical leaders and help foster youth participation, and to also help accelerate social innovation as well as promote global solidarity and cultivate young leaders. Have you been dreaming of traveling to Madrid? You don't think it's possible? Guys, I want to tell you, it's going to be a life-changing experience and it's going to broaden your horizon and it's going to connect you with inspiring global change makers. So guys, have you heard of the HISA Youth Dialogue? Just in case you don't know, the Global Youth Convention in Milan, Italy is a premier global forum designed to empower emerging youth leaders, social entrepreneurs, and change agents. It's organized by HISA Public Policy Research Institute, and they offer a transformative space where young voices will collaborate, innovate, and drive ethical, inclusive, and sustainable impact. And here is their vision. So they believe that a world where you drive innovation, strengthen democracy, and shape a just, unified future. They want to help equip youths with the skills and the values to lead ethical, inclusive, and sustainable change locally. And here is who they are looking for, as well as the eligibility criteria. Now, to ensure diversity and inclusivity, they invite applications from everyone in the world, ages 18 to 45 years, regardless of your nationality or your background. The ideal participant's profile is this: you must be a youth leader or a student or an entrepreneur or a professional person or a professional or an activist or a community builder, and you must be driven by purpose. They want individuals that are committed to social change, civic impact, or policy innovation. They want language requirements. English proficiency is recommended as the program will be conducted in English. So guys, as always, I've done all the homework for you. Go ahead and quickly apply as quickly as possible. It's closing soon. No, it's closing soon. I have no control over that, and I've been trying to research all these fully funded conferences for you guys. This is less than a week conference, but of course they will pay for your flights, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, everything that you need for the duration of the conference. And if you are someone that you've always loved the idea of visiting South Africa sometime in your life, sometime later, this is another opportunity. In my next video, I'm going to share with you how you can travel to South Africa for free. There's a fully funded conference as well that you don't want to miss. So guys, if you're new here and you have not introduced yourselves yet, my God is watching you. Please go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, yes, if you're seeing me for the first time, I've introduced myself earlier, but yes, quick one, guys. Do you know that there are lots of international conferences where they will pay for your flights, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, and everything that you need for the duration of the conference? Do you know that there are lots of opportunities out there that no one is talking about, that people are not even sharing with other people? But I am here to tell you, I'm here to share this information with you because I really want you guys to win. I want to see you grow. I want to see you thrive. I want to see you go to your dream destination. And I always say this, I don't want lack of finance to be a barrier to your travel dreams, your dream of going to your dream country. Without money, I can assure you, you can also travel. Yes, there are some programs that also pay for your passport. Yes, they pay for your passport and they pay for your flights and everything. They are legit programs. Now, back when I was in university, I was also privileged to attend World Bank conference, and they paid for my flights. They paid for my feeding. It was an amazing experience. Honestly, you just have to witness it. You have to experience it yourself. It's something that cannot be fully, can't transfer the experience to you. I can only talk about it, but the experience is phenomenal, guys. So if you want to see more of fully funded conferences on my channel, let me know. But if you want to see more of travel abroad opportunities, study abroad opportunities, let me know as well, so that I know what you guys want to see more of on this channel. And please, I'm open to suggestions, feedbacks, or certain things, whatever you want me to change. Maybe my tone of speaking, just change my background, or I should maybe shoot outside more often. You just let me know. I'm here to also hear from you guys. So if you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, we can discuss all things scholarships, travel, and all of the good stuff. Then you have to join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership. You can find the join button right next to the subscribe button here. But if you want to join my Patreon community, then you have to, click on the link in my description and join my Patreon community. And of course, till I see you guys in my next video, take care of yourselves and God bless you. Make sure that you like this video, make sure you share this video, and tell a friend, friend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye for now. Let's go to South Africa in my next video. Take care, guys.